Hi guys, welcome to Scalable Hire, your partner in career growth and job search success. It's so good to have you join us today. If you are just tuning in for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. Do well to subscribe, do well to like and share. And to our new subscribers, we say welcome. Thank you to our existing subscribers. We say thank you for staying tuned with us always. All right, so today we're just going to be discussing briefly on how to transit from healthcare to tech in the UK. So, if you're an international student or a fresh graduate or a professional looking to transit from healthcare to tech, this video is for you. One major question a lot of people ask us is how can they successfully transit from healthcare to tech? And seeing that they've had to get into the healthcare line during studies or immediately they get into the UK as just the means to settle. So they are looking at how they can transit to tech field or transit to tech field. And this has been one question we keep getting from a whole lot of clients. And so this video is just going to be addressing how you can successfully make a switch or a transition from healthcare to tech. So I'll be listing 5 tips to help you transit from healthcare to tech. Number one, identify your transferable skills. Yes, there are skills you possess currently as an healthcare worker that are transferable to tech and they really, really do align. So I'm talking about skills like your communication skills like problem solving, project management, because for every field, these skills are needed. So these skills are transferable skills that would align to your new career path. Number two, upskill and reskill. Now, you know that very well you want to make a transition into tech. You need the knowledge, that's certain. So, what you need to do is get courses in your area of interest, whichever tech path you want to go into, your area of interest. Take up courses in that path. Take up courses. So, I'm talking about tech skills or tech courses in cybersecurity, web development. You have business analytics, data analytics. Take courses in them because definitely you will need to upskill to have knowledge of this new career path you're about to go into. Number three, network and build connections. I cannot overemphasize the importance of you building network, the importance of you building connections, especially in your new career path. You are a newbie, you're fresh in it, you need to build connections, you need to attend industry events, you need to join online groups to meet other people in the same career field as yours to help you better connect, grow, and also collaborate. Why not? Number four, consider internships and voluntary work. I mean, you will need this. You will definitely need this. So you need to take up internships. After taking your courses, look into taking up internship, look into voluntary work, just to help you gain experience, to help you gain hands-on experience and guide on how you can furthermore in your career path. Number five, tailor your application materials. Yes, you have upskilled, you've taken up internship to gain experience, hands-on experience. Now it's time for you to tailor your application material so you can get started in putting out those applications. So one thing you need to do is for you to update your CV. Now your CV is going to be a tech CV, which is speaking more of your tech skills, speaking more of your tech experience. So this is where your internship comes in. And also you can absolutely update your cover letter to suit into your new role as a tech person, depending on your tech field you have chosen for yourself. I believe this video was helpful to someone. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, till we come your way next time. Thank you for tuning in today. See you in our next video. Bye.